What's going on, you guys? Good morning. We are out here in Telluride, Colorado. Man, what a beautiful town to wake up into. We got here pretty late, got dinner, trying to find a camp spot. Didn't work out, was full, had to go find another first come first serve campground. Luckily there were a few available, so we were able to snag 3 next to each other. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that Black Bear Pass video. That was pretty intense. Definitely, yeah, 4x4 high clearance, short wheelbase if possible, because those tight turn was pretty gnarly for my long bed. But today agenda is going to Telluride, breakfast, coffee first, and then explore a couple of area in this beautiful city. A couple of trails we've been mapping out. A little bit of off-roading, but not much. I think try and find some easy one for the day, but most of the times today is going to be just exploring this beautiful area, maybe some hiking, but I want to see about Overlanding Pass. I heard that was pretty easy, just to check it out, go a little bit off-roading, exploring. But yeah, let's get some breakfast in town and then get our day started. Let's do it. Alright guys, if you ever tell you right, definitely check this city out. It's really cool, just the view and everything. A very cool small town charm to it. Do a little shopping, have breakfast, coffee, all that good stuff. So we can head out to, I guess there's another off-roading trail called Alta Lake, and it's not hard supposedly on all the apps, so, but it's very scenic, so we'll see what kind of trail condition and what kind of cool stuff we get to see over there. But we saw some elk already, so a group of elk, so that was kind of cool. Alright, yeah, let's head to the trailhead and see how this trail is. Let's do it, guys. To them. Oh, that's so cute. right, this is where it ends. We came from there. This is supposedly private property, so this is where it ends for us. But man, this is such a cool place. It's on Tuesday, so no one's around, but this lake is really nice. Camping spot towards the end, all that good stuff. But yeah, it's really pretty here. It's beautiful. Definitely not the clearest lake. It's a couple of dead trouts, but the sky right now with the clouds and the reflection, oh man, it's pretty. So we're at the end. It's gorgeous here for sure. All right, we hiked up to this reservoir. It's supposed to be the third lake. It's not the prettiest, but this view of the, I don't know what mountain range this is, but it is gorgeous. Lake, not too much. That's so cool. Alright guys, we are done with this area. It's definitely pretty, so if you guys are looking for an easy two-wheel drive friendly trail, Alta Lake to the campground area is pretty easy. There is a couple of sections rutted, rocky towards the campground, so high clearance is recommended because there's a couple of big boulders. But other than that, two-wheel drive, all of us made it in two-wheel drive, so easy, pretty area, definitely for camping, for fishing, or just exploring. Really pretty. So we're gonna head back out on the trail, check out another waterfall in the area. Heard you're supposed to have 4x4 high clearance, so we'll see what the trail condition is, and it leads to a pretty cool waterfall. So let's see how this trail and this waterfall is. Let's do it. We had a little logging area. Yeah, this part of I think some type of power company, but they're logging here. So this trail so far is not hard. I did read that it's supposed to be 4x4 high clearance, but yeah, we don't go that much further, and then we'll hit a waterfall. Hopefully no one comes down because it's pretty narrow. We only saw one truck so far. It's really cool though. Off-roading in this national forest, trying to find a mysterious waterfall. Alright, it's a little bit tight squeezing as you go through here, but it is a parking spot. So we're parking here, but we'll see about hiking down to the trail, but oh, check that out. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh. That's pretty neat. Alright, time for lunch. Look what I made. I made sushi snack. Well, I kind of made it. Kind of bought it. But what a view. That's so cool. Well, it's just us out here. Shane with his sandwich. His beer. Gatorade. Oh, Gatorade. But man, not a bad view for lunch. Not a bad view at all. Alright, time to dig into this Telluride style sushi. we're gonna head out, see another lake. Definitely this trail is super small, it's super tight, so if you guys not worry about pinstripe, you can go through it, but definitely tight, but you'll be rewarded to such a beautiful area. Actually, we did 2-wheel drive, high clearance. Got a little muddy, but I imagine during the rainy season, 4x4 probably need it because it's kind of steep, muddy going up. So right now it's dry, pretty dry for us. The view of the waterfalls, it's pretty cool. Alright guys, I got stuck actually on the way out on the mud pit. So definitely, if you plan to go here, 2-wheel drive, just go with somebody. I have to turn on my 4-wheel drive to escape that puddle. Alright guys, we are finished hanging out at Trout Lake. Yeah, that was really cool area. So you guys looking for a cool lake to chill, definitely recommend that lake, Trout Lake. But you guys looking for some 2-wheel drive friendly, Alta Lake is a good one to kind of chill and then explore as well. Alright, so last night we pulled in around 8:30, 9 o'clock into Mary E Campground. So it's a first come first served campground, $14 a night. But if you have the National Park Pass, which all of us has, is half off, so it's only $7 a night for one site, 2 cars. So yeah, it's a nice campsite just outside Telluride a bit. Restroom, just porta potty, no water from what we know, but it is near a river just beyond those river right there, but it's pretty fast moving. But it's nice to be able to get a campsite here and have a restroom and whatnot, because all the campground that we thought about getting was all booked and we were done with off-roading, so we just pulled into a campsite. So yeah, just chill for today and yeah, see what else we can do. All right, starting dinner, making some shrimp rice dish with ponzu sauce. I'm in charge of making rice. We'll see how this turns out. Hey, look at that. I'm improving. Now shrimp is going in. Nice and juicy plump ones. Now these are starting to look like juicy. Ooh, yeah. Okay, make it Asian. Just add sriracha.
Gas station? Yeah, just under a quarter, so
Yeah.
still got my extra fuel tank, but I want to keep that just in case.
Yeah, exactly.
Easy.
Ooh, he just got the sliders.
Straight. Don't let out the throttle.